The 29th edition of the State Karate Championship 2023 kicked off on December 14th at the indoor stadium of the Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex in Shillong. Organized by the All Meghalaya Karate Do Association and supported by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya, the two-day championship witnessed the participation of 350 karatekas from across the state. The co-chairman of the Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation, Ransom Sutnga, graced the inaugural function as the chief guest, while the president of the Meghalaya State Olympics Association, John F Kharshiing, attended as the guest of honor.
One day we'll produce many state players, many national players, many international players, especially in karate. Now, from my side today, this is the 29th State Karate Championship 2023. We learned that there were about 372 participants from the 10 districts of our states. Now from my side, I want to encourage all the participants. Number one is discipline. When you are in any championship, number one you have to do is discipline. This is very, very important. Whether it is off track, on the track, or on the track, you have to be. You have to be disciplined. And number two is hard work. Therefore, today I encourage all these 372 participants to maintain disciplines and also to work hard.